Hey, crazy cookers. Have you ever been to Panera?
Have you? Here's a question for you. Have you ever been to Panera?
Well, they have a salad.
Yeah.
And it's called the green goddess salad. So today we're gonna try and make the dressing for that, and we're gonna make chicken to put in it on top. So like basically just a salad with chicken.
Hopefully good chicken.
So we're gonna say hi.
Yeah. Let's get cooking. Tori said it. Remember to wash your hands.
This is kind of like unsanitary.
Live, laugh, love. Get those angles. Chicken. Yeah, so make sure your chicken is defrosted. We didn't really have a lot of time to defrost our chicken, so we're resorting to this.
Alright, so we have our 2 chickens.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the marinade in these bags, and then we're gonna put the chicken in it.
Okay.
Chicken. Make sure your chicken is defrosted.
In the bag,
Ew, chicken.
2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Juice of lemon. How do you open that?
Lemon.
1 tablespoon juice of lemon. Juice of lemon.
All the juices.
Juice of lemon. 1 teaspoon.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
What's that?
Juice of lemon.
2 teaspoons of honey. Drizzling it on the chicken. Alright. Alright.
So
we have lemon and honey in the
yeah.
bag. We have to add basil, but we actually have fresh basil, so.
Yeah, we've got some fresh basil here, so it's gonna taste super fresh. We each picked 3 leaves of basil from the plant, and we're just gonna cut them up in.
Add that to the bag.
And then you're golden.
And let that all just marinate for maybe like 15 minutes or so.
Let that marinate.
So yeah,
This is what it looks like.
it's the chicken with the basil.
Alright.
So to make the dressing, we need 1 avocado, so that's this. So we need an avocado,
1 avocado.
some apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, lime juice, onion, some chives, and basil, both fresh and that, and a little clove of garlic.
Mmm. Oh my gosh. Chives smells so good. Just cutting some chives.
Oh, my head's out.
You could like,
So we need an avocado.
chives smells so good.
Alright, we're gonna put all these stuff into the blender. So there's the avocado.
Basil. Ooh, my neck just cramped up.
We need a tablespoon of garlic.
Garlic.
So we need a half cup of water, a little bit of onions, just
So-
2 tablespoons.
My poor eyes. Oh.
Like 2-ish tablespoons of onion. We need a tablespoon of lemon juice.
Juice of lemon.
It calls for 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, but that's a lot.
Juice of apple cider vinegar. Juice of
1/4 of salt. Instead of like an 1/8 of pepper, so like, alright, and then you're gonna blend it.
Let's blend it.
Oh!
God, scary.
Bad if you dropped it.
Okay.
This blender's broken. Alright, so blend till it's smooth.
Wait, can I try?
Oh, actually,
I really like
that's
that.
really good.
That's so good.
It's kind of like I don't know if we should water it down a little bit. Alright. Yeah, now it's like more like dressing like. Chicken time! So, quick and easy.
The chicken was marinating in this while we made the dressing. So that was probably good like 15-20 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna grill it on a George Foreman grill. We are gonna hard boil an egg.
It's like a topping.
Yeah.
Put some water on. Gonna bring it to a boil. Okay, so gonna do a mix of lettuces.
Yes. So this is romaine.
And this is some arugula, and that's spinach.
So we got all of our greens. Now we're gonna cook the chicken.
It's like a little mini grill.
Mm-hmm.
It's heated up now.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright. We'll close it. And then hard boil the eggs. I just let the water boil and then put them in for 10 minutes. We're gonna top it with some more avocado
And some feta cheese.
and croutons.
Starting to
Chicken
smell
smells good.
Yeah. Yeah, presentation is key. And then we're using this. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Let's tuck in. Should we peek at it?
Yeah.
It's only been 2 minutes.
Yeah,
but-
here's a peek. Mmm. Smells so good. So we cut the chicken just to see.
It's only been like 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
The bottom looks good. The top is kind of black.
That's alright. We want that smoky taste.
Yeah, we want that smoky taste.
So
Ooh,
yummy.
yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks like
like good
juicy.
chicken.
Yeah, and hard-boiled eggs still going at it.
Carry them to the cutting board.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We're so cleanly.
Okay.
The chicken looks really, really good. Wow.
Alright, now we'll slice it up.
Ooh, it looks really juicy. Panera is quaking. I'm gonna try one of the pieces.
I'm kind of curious.
Mmm.
The chicken's good. Our last topping.
Okay, now we're just gonna crack the hard-boiled eggs. Peeling them eggs. Yay! Ooh, oh my gosh. We'd be peeling them eggs. Yeah!
Ooh.
Look good.
I'm gonna drizzle it on.
Looks so good. So this is the final product. We added a little final touch of bread. Okay.
Alright, so that's your finished product.
Mm-hmm.
Let's eat it.
Yeah, let's eat. Okay, taste test.
Mm. We do this with all of our food.
The chicken, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like flavorful.
The dressing. This is like the best dressing.
It's like creamy, but like not at the same time. Pretty good.
yeah, it's like creamy but also tangy. The dressing I would rate 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
The salad's probably also like 10 out of 10 salad. It's pretty good.
I would totally buy this at a store. Wow.
So yeah, rating 10 out of 10. Yeah.
Good job. Alright. See you next Monday.
See you guys next time. Bye. Okay, third opinion. Oh my god. I can't get the crouton. Okay. Yeah.
It's good though.
I'll give it a 10. Nice.
Yeah. Tori, what do you think?
She says 10 out of 10.
10? Yeah.